Hi everyone, this is Rami Visigi. Today we're going to go over a mystery in Excel. So let's dive in and take a look at it. We have a spreadsheet here that contains text, numbers, and also we have cells like here showing up empty, but it's actually a formula. And also some blank cells, nothing in. So we are trying to find out number of text cells that we have. So we are using traditionally COUNTIF, and then our range would be our output range here, comma, and then we're constructing it with wildcards and whatever that comes after that one. Close that. That gives us 7. Now the mystery is we can do the same thing. We can change our criteria to this symbol, kind of like dyslexic version of not equal to, and we get the same result. Where did that come from? This is one of the mysteries. Another thing we have is all cells except blank. In this case, traditionally, what we do is we say equal count A, and then we have our range, close parentheses, traditional way of getting all cells except blank, and that includes our formula. We will be counting that one. Now, the new mystery is you can say the same thing, equal COUNTIF your range, comma, this time not sign. Press enter. We get the same thing. And it's consistent, and that works also. Interesting. Let's look at another thing. If you're planning to get the totals for all the cells in here, we use equal sum of all the numbers that gives 25. Another mystery again, in here, instead of using that, we can use equal sign sum if, and our criteria is, let's say our range, comma, and for the criteria, you can use not, close parentheses. That gives and produces exactly the same result. These are some anomalies we found out. I thought you might be interested. So if you like it, just give us a thumbs up.